aiwa zvimwe zvimwe guys vafana varikuona generation iri kutokunda mamwe madharara vachachadzwa ruma vekuru vatochena musoro because these young people they know what needs to be done. It's because they're directly affected by whatever outcome of the economy. So when they go to school, they see those who are coming from better school, families or from upgraded families, especially the political families. They see them enjoying. They are dropped off to school. They are picked up. They have a good lunch. They are not sacked because of school fees. They have new uniforms each and every term, and that is what is motivating these young people. So they all know that we are now living in a tech world, and Zimbabwe is so behind. So when they are watching DSTV and other programs, they know that Zimbabwe must be somewhere, but we are behind. So let us bank on this generation. Do ichati kambenera election yedu yeyi.